Thank you for watching Wisconsin Points of Interest and taking a look at this video. We are at Harrington Beach State Park. Today's Tuesday, August 29th, 2023, and we are in Belgium, Wisconsin. It's located on 531 County Road D in Belgium. And yes, we are currently, it's a little windy, so I apologize if there's wind noise. We are at the observatory. It's about 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 25 Celsius. It's windy, a little overcast. And there's different areas to this park. So we're going to check out all of them. It's 715 acres, and there's more than a mile of Lake Michigan beachfront. They have these nice plaques here. Hiking trails. I think there's I forget what I read. 3 or 4 miles of hiking trails. We'll go down and take a look at that water here in a minute. Light pollution. One more over here. Let's check out this post. Looks, that pavilion there you can reserve. So there's picnic areas. I should have probably brought some bug spray, but it's pretty windy, so might not be an issue. You can fish. There's a nice apple tree right there. Yeah, this park's open daily, all year round, from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Wow, this is pretty nice down here. There's the rules. I don't think this is it. This is just a pond, I think, but they do have an old limestone quarry that is filled in now. Turtle, right there on a branch on that tree. This might be the old limestone quarry. This park offers camping, picnic areas, hiking, bird watching, snowmobile trails, and fishing. This observatory is open to the public for monthly viewings. there is a 75 unit campground on hand, and reservations are required. They even offer beach, wheelchair, and sit skis for cross-country skiing if you need that. Pets are allowed, but have to be on a leash. There are areas that are off limits to pets, and those are posted. So, I'm going to drive down, take a look at some of the other places. Let's see what else we got here. Hang on. Okay, we're on our way to Quarry Lake. Cool. Company town. This is where the company store was located, huh? Piece of steel. Stonehaven Housing. Memory of Richard Harrington. This is Quarry Lake. Wow, the water looks really clear. On the way back, I thought I'd check out the beach area on the way back to the car. So let's see what they got over here. A lot of picnicking. Oh, there's a big anchor over here. The Niagara was a 245-foot-long side-wheel palace steamer launched in 1846. It carried passengers and cargo around the Great Lakes. It was owned by the Collingwood Line. On September 23, 1856, the Niagara left Sheboygan, Wisconsin, headed for Port Washington on Lake Michigan. It had 170 passengers aboard and a heavy load of cargo. There was a fire that happened in the engine room, and the steam engines and the paddle wheels stopped working. It was about 4 or 5 miles offshore and quickly became engulfed in flames and smoke. They tried, but couldn't get the fire hose to put the fire out. The passengers panicked while trying to board the lifeboats. All lifeboats capsized except for one. A lot of people jumped overboard into the water, but the water was too cold for anyone to survive it. Some people were rescued by schooner Dan Marble and steamer Traveler, as well as a schooner Pilot. The Niagara sank approximately 1 mile offshore just south of Belgium. Her freight, a total loss, and some 60 passengers lost. Captain F.S. Miller survived. The main wreck of the Niagara lies in 55 feet of water currently. It can be explored by scuba diving. Alright, I think that'll about wrap it up for this video. Just a quick one, get this out there. I thought I should come see this state park. Heard a lot of good things about it. I'm glad I did. Alright, thank you all for watching Wisconsin Points of Interest.